ग्लास में लाइट है। Actually, we are looking for Dhakkans. This Dhakkan is there. This is her birthday dress, kaftan. The biggest keychains in the world. Yeah, very cute. Lucknowi biryani. Now my channel has become Animal Planet for this vlog.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. आज है संडे एंड फ्राइडे को मॉम का बर्थडे था, सो वी ऑल आर जस्ट गोइंग फॉर संडे लंच। वी आर गोइंग टू रेस्टोरेंट इन करामा, तो वहाँ पे पहुँच के मिलते हैं। पहुँच गए हैं हम रेस्टोरेंट। वी आर गोइंग टू आर्सलन रेस्टोरेंट एंड केटर। किसी ने मॉम को सजेस्ट किया था कि यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा बिरयानी मिलता है, तो इसलिए हम यहाँ पे आए हैं। कियान अभी भी गाड़ी में है। My husband is searching for parking. करामा साइड हम लोग ज़्यादा आते नहीं है बिकॉज ये बहुत crowded है। This is her birthday dress, kaftan. She wanted from very long and she finally got it in UAE, in Al Kabail Prime. Lucknowi biryani. This is normal chicken biryani. That is egg biryani. Mostly people like mutton biryani, but we are all chicken fans. देखो quantity इतना ज़्यादा है। Typical Bengali biryani. Nice. हो गया हमारा खा के यहाँ पे लंच एंड वी आर जस्ट लीविंग। वी आर जस्ट प्लानिंग टू आइदर गो टू डे अगर वहाँ पे पार्किंग मिलता है तो, बिकॉज लास्ट व्लॉग में माई मॉम वांटेड टू गो देयर बट वी एंडेड अप गोइंग टू ड्रैगन मॉल।
Few moments later.
पहुँच गए हम डे। एक्चुअली वी आर लुकिंग फॉर ढक्कन्स। When we store things in bowls, उसके लिए we don't have lids, उसकी कमी है। We're looking for steel items. Can you see any dhakkan?
One person I can see this.
Yeah, this dhakkan is there. The small ones are coming with a lid. See, 11 dirhams only with the lid. We want one, we can buy. छोटा भी है। खाना अगर कुछ दाल वाल बचता है तो ढक्कन के साथ ढकने के लिए। Sometimes this boy he doesn't like take jokes. तो अभी वो बुरा मान गया और वो भाग रहा है अराउंड डे टू डे। ये अच्छा है, स्टील है एंड एयर टाइट भी है। तो ओनली 5.9 dirhams। थोड़ा बड़ा साइज।
सेम कलर में नहीं, तो नाइसली एयर टाइट हो जाएगा। दिस इज द बिगर वन।
हाँ, दिस वंस आर लुकिंग नाइस। द ढक्कन इज प्लास्टिक एंड दिस इज स्टील। तो हमें ढक्कन चाहिए था, सो वी गॉट प्रॉपर स्टील बोल्स with the plastic dhakkans to store the curries and all that, and it's even worth the cost. It's not that expensive. Kiyan abhi bhi bhag raha hai. We couldn't get hold of him. This is heart shaped.
हार्ट शेप।
Nice, fashionable. Yeah, very cute. And price? There, Kiyan is running 5, not bad. Pizza cutter, nice. Only 6 dirhams. It's written also pizza.
फैंसी दिस इज देयर।
मतलब गोल्डन कलर का हो जाएगा ना, सिल्वर में भी है। ये स्पून हमारे लिए भी हो जाएगा छोटा। ये ज्यादा नहीं हो गया कियान के लिए? 1-2 ठीक है।
1-2 कहाँ से लाओगे?
Again he's running here. Just now he said he wants to go washroom. क्या कर रहा है ये लड़का? इधर भाग रहा है वो लड़का। कियान, हाँ कियान के लिए ये ना, it's $10. Only 1.9 dirhams। एक मॉम के लिए, एक मेरे लिए। ये ग्लास में लाइट है। It's like a beer glass, I think। $11 to do this। Beer is tasteless, I think। Does it have any taste? Oh, if you can drink Karela juice, you can drink beer।
For health and
Beer is good for hair, na? Beer is good for hair and skin. What she's saying?
for collecting kari biscuit.
Collecting curry biscuits. Next time when she's coming from India, she'll bring in that dabba. आ गया, वॉशरूम गया था, देखो वापस भाग रहा है। We have और आधा घंटे बाद we have to leave because we have to take Kiyan for his dance class. I think even I need some। बड़ा भी है, छोटा भी है। ये एक्चुअली IKEA में भी मिलता है, बट अभी फिलहाल के लिए ठीक है। We'll take these two. Why? We took already these. Last time we brought many keychains from here. So यहाँ पे keychains का बहुत सारा variety है।
Llama.
हाँ, llama 6 cute। The biggest keychains in the world. Yeah, where do these girls hang this? On their bags? My god. Literally, these are keychains. This is huge. Only 11 dirhams. Big doll keychains. See, llama here again. This is llama. These are the cutie pie ones. Pretty cute है. 7 dirhams. एक ट्रॉली में कियान है और सामान सारा इधर ट्रांसफर है.
I like this one. I want to keep. I want to keep
Where you will keep this?
my ID.
In your ID?
Yeah.
You sure?
I want this one.
Okay, put it in the trolley. But don't break it, okay?
Okay.
I showed him this guitarist dinosaur. वो छोड़ के he left his also which he selected first and he wants this useless football.
This is so funny.
Why you guys give me the options? I want my own option.
Okay, his option is he wants his football.
White.
Yeah, and this is kind of Popatlal. It's not very nice.
I have actually two options.
Take this Popatlal.
I have two options.
Which is that? Purple or yellow?
I can use this for practice class. Yay!
Only one. You can only take one, okay?
I want this one.
Which one? This one? Final?
Yeah.
Show me. Okay, this monkey. Yeah, that's fine. He wants to keep it for his abacus class. Got his favorite
there's a
color.
ball also.
Yeah, there's a game also. Okay, fine. So I think we'll finalize this. Put it in the trolley now. Show yours. Finally, what you brought. So many. One white cute llama and
I can't buy two.
no, you can't buy two.
Why?
This is 7.
That's
Nice.
unfair.
This is 6. Cute. Yeah.
No, that's unfair.
No, for you only one.
Why?
Chalo, put yours in the trolley. Let's go now. Time up. कियान को हमने डांस क्लास ड्रॉप कर दिया तो वी स्टिल हैव 1 hour. यहाँ पर ये एक मॉल है जंक्शन मॉल. I've just come here once. Have you been here before? There's one theater here, Q Cinema. I don't know now if it is there. Once we came here to watch that movie Loka. It's a Mallu film. During Eid holidays, we were planning to watch Drishyam 3 in the theaters. 22nd May it will release. So we are planning we'll go. There's nothing much in this mall. Only Q Cinemas था. अभी भी I don't think that Q Cinemas is there anymore. Now it is Star Cinemas. सोचा हम लोग कॉफ़ी पियेंगे. Mom Dad को कॉफ़ी चाहिए. So we've come here for taking coffee. Espresso.
Black coffee doesn't have.
Matcha. I'll go for matcha because it's very viral.
Wait, I don't think you like matcha. It tastes like grass.
Sprinkles.
No, then I don't want. She's saying it tastes like grass. Here, better to ask the quantity first. The biryani, you saw what happened, no? For 3 days, we can eat the biryani. We can sit here, yeah.
I don't think there is design.
There's no design at all. Mine is Spanish latte. Spanish latte is nice. Carrefour has Roopchand fish.
They have a good soft fish.
So we are discussing about a fish which Kian liked. Roopchand. I don't know if any Mumbai person is watching, but in Mumbai it is called Roopchand. In English it's called river pomfret. So वो मछली कियान को बहुत पसंद आया था.
Stingray type.
This I've seen in Dubai Mall. Yeah, inside the aquarium. See, I thought it's just for fashion. I didn't know people eat that fish. Because I've only seen in Dubai Mall. This is my sister's, one of her favorite fish. Oh, this catfish. It looks cute, but I don't think I can eat that. Now the topic is about fishes. So we are all discussing fishes. Barracuda. No, not Bombay duck. It's a normal fish, long fish. तो Bombay duck को थोड़ा रवा में डाल के फ्राई करके दाल के साथ खाओ. Nice. I'm actually not a very big fish fan, but sometimes I like. Natoli, I think the Malayalis will know. सुखट मछली, that is also nice. बॉम्बे डक आता है, प्रॉन्स है, उसका हम लोग चमंदी भी बनाते हैं, चटनी भी बनाते हैं हम लोग ड्राइड फिश का.
Crawfish poop is in the head.
What nonsense! It's when we were small, it seemed we were watching potty videos. You just said the poop is on the head.
No, it's got liver. It's in the head.
So why did you say the poop is on the head?
Because my friend who told me, she told me there's poop in the head.
So there is no fish with poop on his head. That's the liver on the head.
It's like
Sure.
it's like lobster but very small.
Oh, this fish. Which fish has 4 hearts?
Catfish.
Hackfish. This fish has 4 hearts. Now my channel has become Animal Planet for this vlog. Who has 9 stomachs? Whale. It needs. It's the largest mammal on this planet. So it needs. How many hearts it has?
It has one huge heart.
One huge heart. What is this?
This is the heart of a blue whale.
Heart of a blue whale. Who has 32 brains again? Leech, yeah. No, humans have 1 brain and we can do so much. With 32 brain, what these leeches can do?
Put it inside.
Tomorrow I'm going for one cricketer's golden visa. He's playing in England team. So I have to go to the sports council. Tomorrow morning I will leave. His golden visa process. She's just saying that she likes brew coffee. Instead of this Starbucks and all this, she wants brew. Chutti mein what all you will make?
One day appam.
One day stew. Every day morning come breakfast. Ajay Devgan and Akshay Khanna. Malayalam is superb. That Drishyam 2 also. He wrote the whole story in a book.
A lot of bus rides and all he was taking. Right? So
This Drishyam 1 to keep proving that 28 अक्टूबर के दिन हम यहाँ गए थे, हम पूजा पे गए, संकल्प के लिए गए थे. He was putting that in people's mind. So Drishyam 3, I think it will be very good. I think Loka was also very good. That you saw at home this time when we went. You were sleeping as usual. She
used to make me watch Malayalam movies
and
She
sleep.
used to sleep.
And why you making her watch? Who doesn't know Malayalam?
And I used to watch with subtitles. There's one movie called what? Bro Daddy or something. That's very
Bro Daddy, comedy movie.
अभी हम लोग निकल रहे हैं कियान को लेने के लिए. So we are going to buy fish. I think so. After that, finally हम लोग आ गए fish लेने के लिए. Kian is busy playing with them. He's worn the plastic gloves and he's playing with them. Bhangra? Aila. What on name? Bhangra is Marathi, I think. Any fish that we are talking about today?
only catfish.
Catfish, yeah. That is the one. Egyptian catfish. Kian, no, don't play with the fish. It's not for playing. Clams.
Oh, the clams are open. One's open. Where's the shell? Oh, where's the circle thing? Yeah.
Pearl. He's looking for pearl.
Pearls are not in these ones, but in the big ones.
Not he's worn that plastic gloves and he's playing with all the fishes.
Yeah, right? It's not real. Dead.
You can cut it into small pieces.
This is a fish that we bought. Kian, leave it.
Why?
जैसे आपने देखा, we selected this fish and they will cut and give it to us. So I will just end my vlog here now and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, stay safe.